G'day everybody, I'm Dr. Wolfe, and here's your one a day. I've got a question for you. How will you know when you stop running self-hate programs? I'll tell you when you'll know. When you don't rely on your family and your friends and the outside world to fill up your heart every day like an empty tank of gas. Okay? When you no longer have self-hate programs where you're eating food that is toxic or doing toxic things to yourself, or what are you doing with your spare time? You'll know when you're not running self-hate programs when you're doing things to make yourself better. You'll know when you're not running self-hate programs when you take a look at doing our Braveheart program, because that's when you're going to replace and erase dysfunctional programs that you didn't even know you had. So listen, try this out. Try to trust, honor, respect, protect, and love yourself first and foremost before anyone else on this planet or anything else, because you are the I am of I can. Have the best day of your life, and if you love us, share us.
Hey YouTubers, I'm thrilled to share with you the Doc of Detox YouTube channel. Now you can discover new life-changing, life-saving videos every day that will make you look at your life differently. Subscribe to the Doc of Detox today. Be sure to hit the bell to get notifications from our channel. Thank you.